What's going on? Your boy Adam here. I just got in my Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yecheils from Yeezy Supply. Took about 2 weeks to get in. I already have a pair of them from Adidas app, both size 10.5, but I didn't get to do a reveal, so I'm gonna open these up right now. So check it out. We're gonna have more videos coming up. Hope you enjoy. Yeah, so let's get into it. So, like I said, I got a pair of these from the Adidas app. They came in about a week. This one's from Yeezy Supply, which all they seem to do is just throw their sticker on so they can ship it to you. So I guess it goes from South Carolina, wherever Adidas is, and it goes to them. So it only took about a week to get these from Adidas app. And it took about 2 weeks from Yeezy Supply, which is not a big deal, if you don't mind waiting. So Yeezy Boost 350 V2, 10.5 male. I have 2 pairs of these. So let's open her up. Come on. Here we go. So first impression, just like they came from Adidas, same way. Yeah, here they are, man. These things are sweet. So sorry about the lighting. We're gonna get better with that. So when I first opened the other pair, I was kind of not shocked or surprised. I didn't really do too much reading into them, but the color here and on the inside is more like a cream, kind of like a pretty close to pink, but not pink. Definitely cream. We'll just leave it at that. But man, these things are built super nice. Like great attention to detail. The sole is just mint. I've yet to try them on. So I don't know how they fit. I am a 10.5. I bought the shoes that fit me, just in case I wanted to keep them. And as you know, on the Adidas app and Yeezy, you kind of either have to get on there super quick and get lucky and get the smaller sizes, or you have to kind of settle with whatever you can get. Thankfully, I got the size that fits. People like this, that I know that like this shoe are a similar size, so it's definitely going to be easy for retail. But as you can see, if you've been on GOAT or StockX, they're not going for as much as people may have thought in the first place. You can still make a little bit of profit off of them, which is sweet. But this was not the shoe to make or break a year. It's just like a filler, I'd call it. And it is the last colorway for the Yeezys for the year. And I saw some of the stuff coming out soon. It's going to be sweet. I can't wait. But like I said, I got 2 pairs, 10.5 of this size, the Yecheils. And I have a pair of the Zebras, size 10.5 as well. They're for sale. So if you're interested, hit me up, Adam W. Golan on Instagram. Definitely looking to get rid of these to the right buyer. Put them in a nice home, have someone wear them and enjoy them. All right, thanks for watching.